Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the wheel strategy, and to do that, I'm going to go over one of my losing trades. Now, just for fun, I went on YouTube and I found all these videos. There's lots of videos on this wheel strategies, and some of them say the wheel strategy is the greatest thing in the world, and some of them will tell you, watch out, be careful, like this one, option wheel strategy, risk and pitfalls to avoid. And my video here is going to be one of the ones that say, be careful, you can lose money. It's the wheel strategy is like any other strategy. It depends on the market conditions and a lot of other things. You can make money, but you can also lose money. And so here's my losing trade. So back on August the 26th, I sold to open one put option on CRBP at the $4 strike price, and at the time it was paying very good premium, which I just couldn't resist. I thought, what the heck, I'll take a $400 risk, and I sold the put. CRBP is a pharmaceutical company, and at the time I think they were coming out with a virus, with a vaccine virus or whatever, and it didn't work out. And let me go to the chart here and show you what happened. So this would have been the 28th of August right here. Let me close out all this nonsense. And so right around here is where I sold the put, and the $4 strike price is all the way down here. Okay, and so that's August 28th, and then a few days later, boom, it went all the way down to like $2.40 a share, and my put is all the way at $4. Okay, and so on September the 21st, if we go back to my transaction here, that's when my put option got exercised, and I bought 100 shares of CRBP at the lovely price of $4 a share. Going back to the chart here, so September the 21st would have been on this day, and so I thought, what the heck, let's do a wheel strategy, and so I decided to sell a covered call. So going back to the transaction, I sold a $2.50 covered call, took in a whopping $17, and that's a risk, right? If CRBP would have went back up and then my shares get called away at $2.50, keep in mind my dollar cost is $400 minus the premium $52, so $348, and I sold the $2.50, so that would have put me down about $100 minus the premium, so about $85 loss, which I would have been perfectly okay with. All I'm doing is I'm selling puts that have a nice high premium. I'm not even trying to do the wheel strategy, but I decided to do it in this case because I figured, well, I'm losing money anyway, what the heck, and $400 is not breaking my bank. I got like $29,000, so this is well below my risk tolerance level, etc. And so I thought, what the heck, let's sell a covered call. So I did. And back to the chart. Actually, let's go back to the transactions here. And so here's my covered call, $17, $16.33, and it's going to expire on October the 16th. Today is October the 14th. Market has not opened yet. It's 2:45 in the morning Pacific time. Market opens in about 3 hours and in 2 days. And right now, CRBP is at the wonderful price at $1.12 a share. So right there on the 21st, that's when I bought the shares and sold the call. And then it went, and then boom, it went down again. So it just goes from bad to worse on this particular stock. But the good news is it looks very likely that I'm going to keep this premium, this $16.33 premium. But I'm not very happy about that because I bought the shares at $400 and I'm going to get 52 plus 16, $68. So that puts my dollar cost down to down to $332, and the price is at $1.12. So I'm down about $220. Now, let's look at the wheel strategy. So in order to do that, let's go to the option chain and see what options that I can get. Okay, so first, let's go out 37 days. And the $3 calls, the bid is 0 and the ask is 5. So I'd have to sell a $2 call, which is another $50 lower. So if and when CRBP does go back up, now I'm losing I'm selling CRBP at $2 a share. My dollar cost is like at $332. So now I'm taking a $132 loss just to make a whopping, the last was $5. And $5 a month is nothing to brag about. I don't know how you can even call that income. Okay, so let's go out to the next uh, option chain here. In 65 days, they don't even have $3 calls, so I have to sell a 4, and I don't get nothing for that. Bid is 0, ask is 5, so I have to sell a 250. So it takes me 65 days to make a whopping $10. That's not what I call income. And again, this is way below my dollar cost. So we go out to 93 days, and again, very low premium. We go out to 184 days. I could sell a $2 call, and I could get, the bid is 20, the ask is 25. And making $25 in 4 months, that's $6 a month. How can you call that income? So the moral of this tale, ladies and gentlemen, and I still haven't decided which call I'm going to sell. I've already accepted or resolved in my mind that I'm going to take the loss. I'm thinking of selling this one and just take the loss if it goes up that, but 184 is so long that I'll probably just go out here or maybe here and sell the 250 or something. But maybe I'll even go out here. I'm thinking I'm going to sell this 250 call and make a whopping $10 in 93 days. Nothing to brag about. This is definitely a losing trade. Moral of the story, if you're going to do the wheel strategy, don't do it on stocks, pharmaceutical companies, penny stocks that can have really bad days like this, and in a single day they go all the way down like this. That's like a 70% loss. You want to pick stocks that are stable, blue chips. Maybe Apple might be good, I don't know. But even those big blue chip stocks, I mean, if you were to try wheel strategy back in January, February, when the market was crashing 2,000 a day, you'd still be doing bad. So the moral of the story is there is no bulletproof strategy. You still have to try your best to set those stop losses, get out when the getting's good, etc. There's no bulletproof strategy. So this video here hopefully is a good example of what can go wrong with the wheel strategy. And this for sure is a losing trade for me. Who knows? Maybe in 3 or 4 years I can break even, but that's nothing to brag about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave in the feedback, the comment section. I'll see you in the next video, and have a good day. Ciao.